Let's create with DKSH.
Gotta see if you can notice any difference.
I'm absolutely gobsmacked. No one speak up.
G'day, I'd like to introduce you to Lucy. Lucy is the bakery genius from Kudos Blends in the UK. She's joined us in the lab today doing a bit of baking. Lucy, what have we been up to?
So we've been making some chocolate muffins. We've got a standard baking powder chocolate muffin with the full amount of cocoa powder. And here we've got our ZC120 baking powder, and that's with 30% reduced cocoa powder. So, shall we taste? Yeah.
Yes.
So I'll cut some up for you.
Please.
Number one.
So you're not prepared to tell us which is which then, Miss?
No, you've got to see if you can notice any difference. And then if you want to try number two. Anyone noticing any difference in flavour at all?
Not at all.
So do you want to take a guess at which one would have 30% less cocoa powder? Number one or number two? Any guesses?
No.
So number two is actually 30% less cocoa powder, but with our ZC120 baking powder.
That's ridiculous. I actually thought it was more chocolatey and more cocoa.
Yeah, I know.
If anyone, that one looks darker.
Yeah,
I'm absolutely gobsmacked. No one speak up.
in case you were wrong.
Yeah.
Well, this is the hard part of the job, isn't it?
Eat cake. Oh no.